Alright, let's get real for a second. When you hear Linux, you might picture some complicated, hacker-only computer something out of a movie, right? But what if I told you there's a version of Linux that's so friendly, so approachable, that millions of people use it every single day, at home, at work, even in schools? That's Ubuntu. So what exactly is Ubuntu? At its core, Ubuntu is an operating system, like Windows or macOS that runs your computer and lets you get stuff done. The big difference? Ubuntu is totally free. You can download it today, install it, and use it as much as you want, without paying a dime or worrying about licenses. And it's open source. That means anyone can peek under the hood, see how it works, and even tweak it or share it. This is a huge deal because it means Ubuntu is constantly being improved by people all over the world. Think of it like a global team project, except everyone's invited and there's always someone around to help if you get stuck. Now, maybe you're thinking, yeah, but isn't Linux hard to use? Honestly, not with Ubuntu. Ubuntu's designed to be user-friendly. It's got a clean, modern look, easy menus, and a software center where you can grab apps with a click. Switching from Windows or Mac? You'll feel right at home. Security? Let's talk about that. Ubuntu is known for being super secure. It gets regular updates, has built-in protections, and is way less likely to get hit with viruses or malware. That's why it's a favorite for people who want peace of mind, especially for servers or cloud computing. Speaking of servers, Ubuntu isn't just for your laptop or desktop. It powers massive data centers, cloud platforms, and even the Internet of Things. That's smart home devices, robots, you name it. It scales up or down, so businesses and even schools trust it to run the show. Customization is another big draw. With Ubuntu, you can make your computer look and work exactly how you want. Prefer dark mode? Want your dock on the left? It's all up to you. And because Ubuntu has a massive community, there are endless forums, tutorials, and YouTube videos to help you out. Got a question? Someone's probably answered it already. So why do millions use Ubuntu? It's free, open, secure, and flexible. Whether you're a developer, student, or just someone who wants a reliable computer, Ubuntu's got your back. If you've ever wanted to try something new, or you're just tired of the same old operating systems, give Ubuntu a shot. You might be surprised just how easy and fun Linux can be. Thanks for watching.